Karakshula Razakoraguli ni Charipara Shanti Shango Club ni Golden Jubilee Shalnorogui, Blood Donation Camp Klaizaka, Ashley Pandonare Okrangi Manzaka, Hastini Hastefa Indroshinare Dinalo. Abakin Manzaka Badargar Bidan Shoba Kendroni, Emily Minarani Shorkano Kubite Kubunarwai Rock. Ashley Pandonati Coxana Tange Hastini Hastefa Zoto Lokorokno Shangbasangi, Tirunani Bagakoi Munaroka.
It is with immense pleasure and a heart full of admiration that I join you today on this truly significant occasion, the Golden Jubilee celebration of the Shanti Sangha Club. 50 years of relentless service to society is not just a milestone, it is a legacy built drop by drop, efforts by efforts, and life by life. As we stand here on the final day of your fourth day celebrations, which began on the 1st of February, we are not just concluding an event, we are celebrating a golden journey that began in 1976. From a group of visionary individuals to a family of 185 committed members today. Your journey is a shining testament to the power of collective will and compassion. The same Shanti Sangha, itself a fellowship of peace, beautifully encapsulates your mission. For 5 decades, you have been the torchbearers of this peace, not merely as an absence of conflict, but as a positive force manifested through awareness programs, sports, education, child and women development, and above all, through today's noble act, blood donation. Your multi-placed work highlights a profound understanding that true community development is holistic. By nurturing young minds through sports and education, by empowering women and children, you are building a strong, resilient and peaceful society. You are laying a foundation for a brighter, more equitable Tripura. And today, you bring that spirit to its most immediate and vital from blood donation camp. There is perhaps no great gift than the gift to life. Every unit of blood donated here today is a promise of hope, a second chance, and a direct lifeline to a fellow human in need. This act of selfless giving is the purest expression of Shanti, that is peace, and Sangha, that is community. You are not just saving lives, you are strengthening the very fabric of our society. On this Golden Jubilee, as you rightly reflect on the glittering achievements of the past, I urge you to also look forward with renewed vigor. Let this celebration be a springboard for the next 50 years, a future of even greater progress, deeper commitment and expanded services.
Razakoraguli ni Shimi Pronomni Koktum Chini Korang.